Well, hello there. If you are watching this, you're probably thinking if you should buy the E92 M3. Let's find out. In this video, I'm gonna talk about what you can expect from this car. The reality, reliability, costs, maintenance, all of the expenses basically. We have to start with one of the main reasons you actually think about buying this, or why you like it, why everyone likes it. The high revving 4-liter V8, of course, what else? Over 400 horsepower, manual or DCT gearbox, revving up to 8.23 thousand RPM. What else do you want? Exactly nothing. That's all I need to be happy. And that's all you need to be happy. So go ahead and buy the E92 M3. Okay, so it's great, but it's not all that great. It's not perfect for everyday use. Let's be honest. So the engine, everyone's scared of. The rod bearings, throttle actuators, those are the most common things that go on this. Generally, if the engine's been warmed up properly, it should be fine. Even on the original rod bearings, these can last up to like 200k miles, so it depends on the owner. You might get lucky, you might not. It's a gamble you take. To be safe, it might be best idea to replace them yourself and you take care of it properly, because you never know. You buy the car and the owner gives you all the proof that the rod bearing's been replaced 2,000, 10,000 miles ago. If he'd never warmed it up and he pushed it straight away, it's the same as buying a car with 200k miles without them being changed, and the one with 50,000 miles where they have been changed. You get the idea. Same thing. It's gonna be 20 years old car soon, but look at it. It aged so well, it's insane. Ignore the wheels. I know a lot of you aren't fans of the Japan racing on this car, but it's my car. Should I buy 4K wheels? Let's say you currently have a 4-cylinder, maybe 6-cylinder. Let's say 4-cylinder. That's the most popular engine to have now. If you buy V8, you're gonna have to do everything double, because 4 extra cylinders. More oil, more spark plugs, more everything basically. The performance of the car, it's enough power, but the power is kinda hard to use. The best comparison I would think of would be like Honda Civic 1.6 NA VTEC. Here, the VTEC kicks in at around like 7,000 RPM, all the way up to 8.3 thousand RPM. Under those revs, it's dead. There's not much there. I'm gonna demonstrate later on, and you're gonna see how slow it is actually. That's something to think about. S58, B58, N55, they all have usable power. Let's say my previous car, N55, at 2,000-3,000 RPM, I floor it in a second, full power, and you feel it straight away at low RPMs. With this one, you're gonna have to go all the way. Do you feel me? Another reason you probably considered buying this is the gearbox. This comes with 2 best gearboxes you can get. Either you want manual to have more fun, or DCT. All in all, DCT is better for this car, but if you are like me, you don't care too much about having half a second faster 0 to 60 or 1 second faster track time. You get the manual, because 3 pedals, more fun. The V8s are dying, so are manual gearboxes. It's perfect time to enjoy the manual gearbox. Regarding the power usability, the DCT might be better idea as well, because shorter gears, so you can actually have the higher RPMs. You can use the power a bit more. With the manual gearbox, the gears are super long. Second gear pull, 60 or 70 miles an hour. So it's kind of it's really not ideal for town driving. In town, all you can use is first gear maybe for some like soft pulls. Another costly thing about the E92 M3, depending where you live, is the road tax. Road tax is... life is tough, bro. Road tax. I don't, you know, I just pay for road tax, and I do my best to forget how much the road tax is actually on this car, because the amount is crazy. It's like, I believe 700 plus something. 700 for what? Some people don't drive in winter, so they don't pay during that period, so they save a few hundred, one or two. Many people say I can't get one because of the insurance. This was cheaper than the previous car I had, the M235i. It's only like 700 a year. It turns out this is private land where I'm at. Just spoke to the owner. So let's go for a drive and talk a bit more, and I'll show you how slow it is. Off we go. The fuel consumption on this car is another thing you might not like. As you can see here, on mine it says 19.3 mpg, but I don't really believe it. Realistically, full tank, I'm gonna be paying £100 for like 300 miles, I would say. More or less. Now, like I talked about the power, from low RPMs, there's not too much compared to new cars or new M cars with turbos. NA engine, 2000 RPM, third gear. I will floor it after this corner. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. It's, as you can see, it's going up, but it's taking a while. Actually, it's not as bad as I remember, but you get the idea. So that's something else to think about. And this is why you buy the E92 M3. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I'm still shifting early because the engine is a bit cold. That heel toe though. Woo! You have to buy this car. You have to. How can you not? You have to live. Everything I said, the cons of this car, they don't exist. After this, they don't. What cons? The antenna? You have to buy this car. This is the one you want. It's simple as that. I'm happy. Before I bought this, I test drove the M4, and it was cool, it's okay, but this thing, it makes me happy. Today is Friday. It made my day already. Life is great. Life is 10 times better with the E92 M3. And now I'm happy. So, is it worth paying for happiness? Absolutely. It's the most fun, reliable car you can get this day. Huge thank you for those who watch my videos, for those who subscribe. I appreciate you all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm interested to hear if you have any better cars in your mind, so make sure to let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.